Hey there, health warriors. Today, we're about to uncover the secret to unlocking your full potential through three mighty seeds: pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, and flax seeds. But before we embark on this journey of nutrition, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to join our community of wellness seekers. Before we dive into the world of super seeds, a gentle reminder: while this video serves as a valuable resource, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Picture this: you wake up feeling energized, your body buzzing with vitality, all thanks to three powerhouse seeds that pack a nutritional punch like no other. Let's take a closer look at why pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, and flax seeds are the ultimate champions of your everyday diet. Pumpkin seeds. First up, pumpkin seeds. These tiny wonders are a treasure trove of essential vitamins and minerals. Loaded with magnesium for muscle function, zinc for immune support, and antioxidants for overall health, pumpkin seeds are nature's gift to your well-being. Incorporate them into your morning smoothie or sprinkle them over your salad for a crunchy, nutrient-rich boost. Next in line, chia seeds. Chia seeds. Chia seeds. Don't let their small size fool you. These little warriors are bursting with goodness. Packed with fiber to support digestion, omega-3 fatty acids for heart health, and calcium for bone strength, chia seeds are a nutritional powerhouse. Mix them into your overnight oats or blend them into a refreshing beverage for a satisfying dose of nutrition. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about flax seeds. Flax seeds. Enter flax seeds, the unsung heroes of your diet. Rich in alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid, flax seeds are your ticket to a healthy heart and brain. Not to mention, they're brimming with lignans, powerful antioxidants that may help lower the risk of chronic diseases. Whether sprinkled over your cereal or incorporated into homemade energy bars, flax seeds are a must-have for your daily nutrition. Now that you're armed with the knowledge of these three super seeds and their incredible benefits, it's time to take action. Integrate pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, and flax seeds into your daily routine and witness the transformative power of nutrition. Don't forget to engage with us by liking, commenting, and sharing this video with your fellow health enthusiasts. And of course, subscribe to our channel for more captivating content. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.